There are almost as many types of crates as there are dogs. Some crates are ideal for traveling, while others are meant to be put in place and left where they are. Your needs in a crate will depend on your dog. If they're calm when crated, then you can probably use a wire or fabric crate. If they're skilled escape artists, you may need to invest in a heavy-duty plastic or steel crate. Regardless of what kind you choose, remember that the most important part of crating a dog is training them for it in a way that makes your pet feel safe and secure. If you don't introduce your dog to the crate gradually and positively, they'll never think of it as their own safe space. Number 1. Midwest Homes for Pets Folding Dog Crate. A folding wire dog crate is an excellent starting place for most pet owners wanting to crate train their dog. Midwest Homes for Pets offers a quality folding metal crate that happens to be one of the most popular on Amazon. It has a single door with a double latch, a removable plastic tray that makes it easy to clean, and a divider panel that lets the crate grow with your pet. What's more, it folds flat with a carrying handle on the side, so you can bring it with you anywhere you need to go, or store it when not in use. You can assemble it in under a minute with no need for tools, so it can be set up as soon as you arrive at your destination. It's worth noting that a determined dog will be able to bust their way through the wires. My 90-pound pointer destroyed his one afternoon in a bid for an unattended bag of tortilla chips. However, most dogs won't have the level of determination required. It's a quality offering for most dog families. Number 2. PetMate Ultra Vari Kennel Travel Crate. The PetMate Ultra Vari Heavy-Duty Dog Travel Crate is another excellent option for dogs determined to escape. This heavy-duty plastic dog crate will contain most animals, and has ventilation holes on all sides. These give your dog a 360-degree view of the world around them, without completely exposing them to prying eyes, so they can hunker down and hide if they feel the need. The crate does collapse somewhat for transport and storage, but due to the molded plastic it isn't as easy to store as others. The major selling point of the PetMate is that it meets the cargo specifications of most airlines. So if you're planning to do a lot of flying with your pooch, then this would be a good investment. This dog crate meets most airline cargo specifications, made with heavy-duty recycled plastic material, and features an easy open front latch to quickly access pets. Number 3. Casual Home Wooden Pet Crate. If you're looking for a dog crate that's a more permanent fixture in your decor, check out the Casual Home Wooden Pet Crate End Table. This crate is structured to serve just like an end table in your living room set. If there weren't a dog inside, most visitors probably wouldn't give it a second glance. It's a solid, classy-looking piece of furniture. The slats on all four sides provide plenty of ventilation, while the locking door keeps your dog contained whenever you need. Because it's the size of an end table, it's meant for smaller dogs, specifically those under 25 pounds, but Casual Homes makes products for big dogs, too. End table style design complements your home decor and provides all the benefits of your classic end table. These products are engineered for simple and hassle-free assembly. All hardware needed is included. The crate's lockable latch offers security and peace of mind when you're away from home. Number 4. Smith-built heavy-duty dog crate. For extra-large dogs, look no further than this crate from Smith-Built. This is the one I bought for my 90-pound pointer when he kept breaking out of his traditional wire cage, so you know it can handle more determined pets. He never so much as dented this heavy-duty dog crate, and it's done a great job of containing our current 90-pound lab, too. The frame and bars on this crate are made of welded steel, strong enough to withstand even the most determined escape artist. 2 locks on the main door provide redundancy in case one slips. The second access point is through the top, which is secured by a single latch. Cleaning it is a breeze, thanks to its removable grate and tray. But this is not a crate made for travel. It's quite heavy, and takes some time, and tools, to assemble and dismantle. Despite the weight, its rolling casters make it easy to reposition as needed. If you need a crate that'll keep your dog contained, then this is a solid, secure option that has served me well for years with no sign of deterioration. Number 5. Amazon Basics Portable Folding Soft Crate. This Amazon Basics Folding Soft-Sided Crate is a great option for those who need pet containment while traveling. The crate has a PVC frame that's wrapped in polyester fabric, with mesh windows providing ventilation from all 4 sides for maximum airflow. The doors on this crate, which are at the front and on top, zip and unzip to open and close. And straps are included to keep the door panel rolled up and out of the way. We think that this is probably better for more relaxed pets. This crate is great for families on the go as it folds completely flat for easy storage and transport, and requires no tools to assemble. Obviously, a fabric crate is not meant for rambunctious or escape-prone animals, and it probably wouldn't hold up to excessive wear and tear. But for a properly trained dog, this is a great option for those on the move.